Morning everybody, Happy New Year. Hope you've had a good Christmas. Mine's been alright. I'm not looking forward to going back to work, but hey ho. We need to pay the bills, don't we? Anyway, you join me in the disco. We're going to be fitting a dash cam. And the reason for that mainly is because of car insurance. I got my renewal through back in May, and they were trying to sting me for another £200 on top of what I was paying already for the previous year. So I weren't really impressed with that. I went on the usual price comparison websites, and they were a lot more expensive, to be honest with you. You'd think as you get older the price would go down, but it hasn't, it's gone up. So yeah, I went back to the insurance company and asked them, look, you know, what can I do to get the price down? And they said, well, fit a dash cam, I'll give you 15% off. And that took it back down to what I was paying more or less previous the year before. So a couple of other bits, I knocked the mileage down, put in a limited mileage discount, and I bought a pedal lock. I'll show you that in a minute. And got it down another further £100 roughly, so it wasn't too bad all in all. So we're gonna have a mess with this dash cam anyway and get this fitted. I'll spin you around, I'll show you what other thing I've found in here as well. So the water leak in here is a bane of my life. It keeps filling up down here somewhere. We've had loads of rain this morning, so I don't know if you can see that on camera. There you go. It appears I've found the culprit. Seems to be up in this corner somewhere. It must be running down the A pillar and filling the footwell up down here. So I'm going to have to pop this off anyway to get run the cable round for the dash cam. So we'll have a quick peek up there. I'm guessing it's either windscreen related or it's the roof where the seam joins the roof. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. So I'm just going to knock this camera off in a minute and we'll get it set up. Okay, so we've bought ourselves a Road Angel. I wanted a decent brand, I didn't want those cheap crappy ones. Came with an SD card. I think altogether it was, I don't know, about £80 or something like that. I actually got it for my birthday, so it's been sat in here a couple of months. Right, okay. Quick start guide. Let's have a look. So I've already downloaded the app. So it's just a case of getting started. So sticking it to the windscreen first, I suppose. So let's do that first then. Right, I've kind of got it up for now. This cable keeps dropping down from headliner, so I'll have to get some of those stick-on P-clips just to hold that up in there. But I've got it routed down through, coming across down here, an up front tunnel. It'd be better if it was hardwired in, but it's going to be alright. I'm not so sure about this adapter thing either, it's a bit floppy. But anyway, it's in. I've got this stupid film thing to put on it as well. Let's rain bead off it or something stupid. But yeah, I'm going to have to just try and get that up there somehow. Yeah, I'll deal with that later. But yeah, it's up. I couldn't see anything up there. I've run my finger right up and I couldn't feel anything wet, but up there, look, you can see how it's dripping there, look. Wonder if it's getting past the seal and then dripping down onto the floor. It's too made, and I know that. Bloody wet, what's all there as well, look. See it all dripping? The joys of disco ownership. Right, let's get this app running and see what we've got. Right, annoyingly, I don't think there's any power to this socket. So when I'm searching for Wi-Fi, it's not bringing anything up. So I'll have to check fuses for that. There's no lights on there either. Alright, we'll have to come back to that then. But at least it's fitted for now anyway. I'll tidy all this crap up. So yeah, just a quick vlog and a quick update. And wish everybody a happy new year. Thanks to all the subscribers as well for all the watching all my videos and that. I know they're not great, but anyway, it's mostly Land Rover stuff. So yeah, I'm going to leave that here for now. And once I get this up and running, I'll give another update. So I'll see you all later. Okay, just before I go, I meant to show you this actually. So this is a pedal lock. I got it off eBay. The manufacturing company in Barnes, I can't remember what they're called, but they've got some in. You can have them in any colour. Well, actually there's 3 colours from what I recall. I chose a blue one obviously to match the truck. And all it is the big massive lock on the back of there with a pin, and that just goes basically over your which way around is it now? I think it goes like that over your pedal and locks all your pedals together. Obviously the more security you can have in your car, the better it's going to be with your insurance company, get a bit more knocked off. So yeah, I think not a bad price either. It's pretty heavy, and there's like a little button there that you press on the back of that, just lets you know that it's locked and working with a little battery in it. So let's turn that off. So yeah, that's something else that you can do. Obviously more mods if you got in your truck, the more stealable it's going to be as well. So yeah, so I'll leave that with you and we'll see you again soon.